Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I have my June Citrus Twist kit, so I am super excited to be sharing this with you guys. So I'm just going to pull this out and we'll get this stuff off to the side, and then let's see what we can see. So of course, we have the 2 sheets of white American Crafts cardstock, and it is textured on one side and pretty smooth on the other. So there we go. Then we have this crepe paper Wild Heart, and this is a cut apart sheet with some cards and some tags. And then on the back side we have some like taupey gray stripes. So if I'm completely honest with myself, I'm probably going to use this side and cut this on this line right here and use this on one page, and maybe either use this on one page or cut this in half and use these on the other page, because these are not screaming to me. But you know, who knows, could be something. I could find something I need to use it for. This is Maggie Holmes Flourish, and this painted look right here, and then on the back this kind of dotted kind of reminds me of like an old building. Okay, then we have Ellie's Studio Noteworthy, and this is a white and yellow, almost an orangey yellow, and each of the yellows has like plain grid or dots, and on the back we just have some numbers. We have this from Crepe Paper, and this is Wild Heart, and here we have these great green kind of palm fronds, and on the back it kind of looks like embroidery floss in a pattern, at least to me. Then we have from Fancy Pants Poolside, this reminds me of Scrabble. Do you guys, I don't know if anybody, who knows? So there used to be a Scrabble TV show, and I can still hear them like, "I'll take the 4, please, Chuck, and the 7. And they'll go, ding! So anyway, and then on the back side we have some flamingo, like raft type things, and I'm not going to use the flamingos. I will definitely be using this side. Here we have Crepe Paper from Here and There, and it's this wood grain background with all kinds of vacation-y type words that you could cut apart if you wanted to, or use this as the background. And then on the other side is this pink and green palm frond, and that was the doorbell. So hold on one sec, guys. I am back. That was one of my daughter's friends. Okay, so this is also from Ellie's Studio Noteworthy, and it has this grid on it, and then Noteworthy and kind of messy type all over the front, and then on the back is this purple on purple plus side. And then here we have Chamel Box of Crayons, and this one is this great floral with the oranges, and then on the other side is this teal and navy messy stripe. So I'm loving that side. Of course, we have the Citrus Twist polymer stamp, and it says "Let's go," beach, sun please, these are the days today, less Monday, more summer, drink the wild air, some of the best memories are made in flip-flops, recorded details. And it looks like, I'm not sure if recorded details is, yeah, it looks like one stamp. But if you just needed a little line, you could just use this. There you go. Just use that as well. This looks like a piece of a map that has been cut up for us. And then we have the Ellie Studio Noteworthy Bits and Pieces. So lots of fun die cuts in there. And I love Ellie Studio's bits and pieces. Okay, so we have Pretty Paper in the House. This is just the card that you get from Citrus Twist. And here, let's see what we have. Oh. I'm sure it's not supposed to be toady. I'm sure it's supposed to be today. But, I mean, if you have some reptile pictures, I guess you could call it toady, or you could do to and day, or whatever you want it to do with these pretty acrylic letters. Then we have some enamel dots from Wonder Collection by My Mind's Eye. Love these navy ones right here. Then we have the LA Studio Noteworthy epoxy stickers. Lots of good ones in here. Then we have these stickers called Chill. It says chill, good times, fun, OMG, wild, love, sun and fun, favorite. And I like how these are like thicker ones and thinner ones. And on the back we have memories, best day, thank you, paradise, sweet, perfect, getaway. And then we have the Citrus Twist little cut apart sheet with the labels. We have some of this yellow trim, and I received this yellow trim in another Citrus Twist kit and used it all up, so hopefully I'll be able to do the same. And this is kind of a surprise to me. There is a traveler's notebook in here, and it's from Echo Park paper. So we'll see what I do with this, if I actually use it for scrapbooking or if it makes it to another meal planning shopping list, because that's what I do with my current traveler's notebook. And of course, we have the inspiration and the sketches that come along with it. So that was my June Citrus Twist kit. I still haven't finished my April and my May, so I need to get moving. Thanks for watching, guys.